Need to find your computer's IP address. You can check it directly from PowerShell without opening Windows network settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to find your local IP address, identify your network adapter, check your gateway, and get a quick view of your network configuration. First, open PowerShell from Start Search. You can use the standard PowerShell window for these commands. Once it's open, we're ready to check the network information stored on your PC. The quickest method is the familiar ipconfig command. Type ipconfig and press enter. PowerShell will display your network adapters, along with information such as the IP-4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Look for the adapter you're currently using. For a more PowerShell-focused method, use Get-NetIPAddress. This command lists IP address information for your network interfaces. You can look through the results to find the address assigned to your active adapter. This gives you more structured information than a basic ipconfig result. If you want to focus specifically on IP-4 addresses, add a filter. For example, use Get-NetIPAddress address family IP-4. This removes the IP6 entries and makes the results easier to read. You can then identify the local address assigned to your network connection. To see which network adapters are available, use Get-NetAdapter. This shows interfaces such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet and their current status. Look for the adapter marked as up, then match its interface name with the IP information from the previous command. To check your default gateway, you can use Get-NetRoot destination prefix 00000. The gateway address shown here is typically the device your computer uses to reach other networks, including the internet. This is useful when troubleshooting connection problems. And that's how to check your IP address with PowerShell. Use ipconfig for a quick look, Get-NetIPAddress for detailed IP information, and Get-NetAdapter to identify your active connection. So whenever you're troubleshooting a network issue, these commands can give you a clear starting point.